I created this strategy specifically for the Asia session because I live here in Australia and I could not be bothered to stay up until 3 AM in the morning. Turns out I suck at trading in the daytime. So I'm back trading New York and this is the opening range Fibonacci breakout on gold. This is how you do it. I'm trading micro gold futures. First you're going to head over to the 15-minute time frame and you mark out the first 15-minute candle at 9:30 AM EST. That's a New York stock market open. You're going to mark out the top and the bottom wick of that candle. Then you're going to head over to the 3-minute time frame. You're going to identify which opening range high and low was formed first. In this example, it was the orb low. So you select your fib retracement tool. I'm going to mark that from bottom all the way up to top. And these are my fib settings. Make sure you take a screenshot. After that, we're going to check the 3, 5, 10, and 15-minute time frame for any FVGs. We have a 3-minute FVG just here, and we have a 15-minute FVG just here. You are then going to look for two different things to happen. Price is either going to reject off of this fib level and close above this 15-minute FVG, in which case I may target longs, or I'm going to wait for a close on the 3-minute below this fib and this FVG, and I will then be targeting shorts. That is the game plan. Now I'll show you my live trades for the day. We've had a strong close below this fib and FVG level, so I entered the trade roughly around about here. In terms of my targets, I'm going to be targeting these internal swing lows just here, or these ones just down here. This was my stop loss to entry point, but price seems to be reversing. We'll see how this plays out. We wicked right up to this fib and FVG level, so it's looking like price is going to retest this level. I'm just going to close this trade and then wait for a better entry. On to trade number 2. So we actually came up to retest this 15-minute FVG, had a really solid rejection to the downside, so I entered the trade just before the 3-minute candle closure here below the fib and the FVG level. Just hit my stop loss to entry point, so I'm going to move my stop loss down to entry. I'm just going to let the trade run. We've hit my first take profit mark, but price is still considering to rally, so I'm just going to wait to see how things play out. Currently running about $850. Now, I don't quite know what's happened. Top Step has just froze. It's literally fucking stuck. All right, screw it. I'm just gonna close the trade. Bro, it's still not moving. But we got the trade. Top Step, man. If you're learning to trade, then I'm sharing all of my tips that I'm learning along the way, so be sure to follow. Or if you haven't got the time to learn and you want to copy someone else's trades, there's a free PDF in my bio which tells you who I think is the best out there. So you can go check that out if you're interested. That was me for today. See you tomorrow.